If you're looking for the best night creams for winter, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Laneige Cica Sleeping Mask. Recommended for normal skin types suffering from dry or red skin, this sleeping mask is hypoallergenic and suited for sensitive skin. It's designed to strengthen the skin's moisture barrier, calming and hydrating the skin while you sleep. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Drunk Elephant F-Balm Electrolyte Waterfacial. Formulated at the skin's ideal pH level of 5.7, this cream can repair damaged skin and replenish moisture. It's well suited for combination, dry, oily, and normal skin types and contains 5 forms of ceramides, omega fatty acids, and vitamin F. The number 3 position is held by First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Hydra-Firm Sleeping Cream. This wonder cream is supposed to smooth skin's appearance and improve firmness and tone. It's also dermatologist tested, non-comedogenic, and suitable for sensitive skin types. Next at number 4 we have CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream. Suitable for all skin types and full of ceramides, this cream will help renew your skin's moisture. It is fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, and dermatologist developed. This non-greasy formula is designed to soften and renew the look of tired aging skin. The number 5 position is held by Badescu Seaweed Night Cream. Ideal for combination, oily, or sensitive skin, this oil-free marine extract cream will plump and smooth your skin. It's packed with proteins in a lightweight, cool-to-the-touch formula. The number 6 position is dominated by Rose C Multi-Correction 5-in-1 Anti-Aging Facial Night Cream. This night cream contains Hexyl complex, which is said to be 4 times more effective in improving skin tone and evening out age spots. It visibly reduces dark spots, sagging skin, and wrinkles within 4 weeks. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Anti-Wrinkle Night Moisturizer Cream. This cream touts a money-back guarantee. It is said to brighten and smooth skin in as little as 1 week. The number 8 position is held by IT Cosmetics Confidence in Your Beauty Sleep Anti-Aging Night Cream. Suitable for all skin types, this cream is said to dramatically improve skin tone and texture within 7 nights of sleep. Rest and Restore technology works to improve on the 7 signs of aging while you sleep, and it features a unique texture to prevent the transfer of cream onto your pillows. Next at number 9, we have Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleeping Mask. Containing watermelon extract, hyaluronic acid and pumpkin extract, this sleeping mask provides a breathable mask that hydrates and smooths overnight. It also contains a pillow-proof rub-off formula to quickly sink into the skin. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Alpyn Beauty Calming Mask with Melatonin and Wild Dandelion. This unique cream has wild dandelion and melatonin to calm the skin. Then, vitamin C and bakuchiol, a plant-derived retinol alternative, brighten, firm, and smooth the skin. Hyaluronic acid and squalane offer a moisture surge for the skin, leaving it hydrated and smooth. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.